You need a mental institution.
Did you guys just hear that? We're recording right now. I hope you know that.
He is the one who just said, I'm gonna start recording before I fucking lose it. Yeah, you need a mental institution.
Wow. This is what
There's
I'm dealing
no shame
with.
in that. There's no shame in that, Dennis. Stop putting shame to that.
It's not that it's shame. It's just that you think that I deserve and belong in a mental institution. That's what upsets me when I clearly don't.
Wait, this is all love. I'm so
You know what? I go to a mental
you.
institution, this channel dies immediately. Why do you think people tune in? To see your pretty face? Hell.
Of course.
They
Of course
come
that's
in
what
to
it
look
is.
at me. They come in to look at the expert animes.
I see.
Anime expert's opinion.
Okay. Yeah, that's all they come for.
It's gonna make a really inappropriate joke right there, but never mind.
I have a feeling that you I already know what way you're gonna take it. Anyways, let's start our intro. Guys.
Episode 11, Chainsaw Man. Not much to say. There's a lot going on. I'm super curious what the devil is that Aki made a contract with.
Oh, yeah.
I'm also curious where they're going with this finale because I genuinely don't remember. I've seen this season. I've seen it when it came out about 2 years ago. Maybe it was just a year ago. I don't fucking remember.
Yeah, pretty bad memory.
That shows how much I'm speaking, Ashley. That just shows how much I don't remember. And yeah, my memory's just kind of shot. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. And I don't really care what Ashley thinks about this. So we're going to jump right into episode 11 here. And you know what? I take that back. I do care.
Yeah, of course you care. My opinions. You know what? Never mind.
Do you have any thoughts about
No, I have no thoughts.
episode 11? Wow, great reactor, guys. Great reactor. Zero thoughts.
Thank you.
Zero comments.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the people what they want, which is for us to just stop talking and get into the reaction, right? Am I right?
You know what? Actually,
I'm right.
that is fair. That is fair.
Yeah.
So we're going to get right into it. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Sorry for the dysfunctional intro. We're just talking shit to each other since we started recording. But yeah, we hope we're recording this on a Sunday. I think when this comes out, it'll be a Friday. So happy Friday. Hope you guys have an amazing one and an even better weekend. And we'll see you guys in the reaction. See what I'm dealing with, man?
How am I still so ahead of you when you started before me?
Oh, I don't know. The future devil. Did they say that last time?
No. Half their lifespan?
He already only has 2 years left.
Terrible.
Honestly, that's a pretty good deal right now because the most he would lose is 1 year, whereas other people are probably losing like 50 years.
Good point.
Whoa. That's you. It's an interesting way of speaking.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, hell no. I'm not doing that.
No, that doesn't look right.
Nirvana. What is his power?
Try to see into the future, like what's about to happen, like the attack.
Oh shit, Ashley.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Combat abilities. Do you remember these two putting on the glasses to look smart or feel smart?
Yeah. Yeah, they're still getting beat the fuck up.
Oh, they drew some blood from him though. Do you remember when Denji's brain power at the fucking punch? He started making all this noise.
He told me about your deal.
What?
I thought I was gonna say he told me about your deal with Denji.
Pedophile. Got Chris Hansen on this on the wall over here.
Oh yeah, this is Chris Hansen right now.
This is the intervention. Right here. Surprise, motherfucker.
You didn't answer the question.
Oh, so he's kind of fucking crazy too. He's more of like, I'm willing to do what needs to be done.
Makima が生きてる限り、日本には逃げれる場所はない。ここで迎え撃つ準備はしてある。
So they're going after Makima.
Why though? I mean, cut the head off the snake, I guess. Nah, Denji's too strong now.
死んでも蘇るからな。
Oh my god, they got zombies. Jesus Christ.
It's all the Yakuza that from the zombie devil in the first episode.
それで4課を終わらせる。
Jesus. Okay, so Makima is sinister. Or maybe.
I don't know, but who the fuck is this chick, this snake girl? Like, where did she come from? And why is she working with them?
I know.
Wait, did you notice? I think Aki's eye colors are different. Because he took the future devil in his right eye.
Oh, I didn't notice his eye. I have to look.
でも10の悪魔を殺そうなんて思いませんよ。普通に考えれば無理ってわかりますもん。正直アキ君見てるとムカつくんですわ。あんたは黙って見てればいい。俺が負けて死んだその時に笑いに来てください。今
At least not a pussy like you two are.
じゃなきゃやっていけないのも分かってるんです。
Like, I have to do this.
Mm-hmm.
応援しとくわ。
Nice.
最後にこの言葉を送る。得意課にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
I would love to have a home by the lake like that
Right?
one day.
I know.
東京でうちの若い奴らが勝手にドンパチやっちまったみたい。
Oh, I think this is the Yakuza.
聞いた話によると、この沢渡って女が来るわけでな。この女を仲介にうちの若い奴が騙されて、銃の悪魔と契約しちまったらしい。
Who is she? I'm even more curious about her now.
悪魔の世界も金が必要なんかな。人類諸君と変わらないね。
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前を他の組の方のもお願いします。
お嬢ちゃん、あんたさ。
安全のためです。ご協力お願いします。
俺たち身内同士で潰し合ってみな。したらその間に外国マフィアが日本に入ってきちゃうんだ。それを俺たちが防いでるんだ。
So he doesn't want any other. He doesn't want any other.
Hang on.
っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守ってるんだよ。明日がねじゃ仲間は売れんよ。
兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
What? What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What is she doing?
Something with her eyes.
あなたの言う
Dude, what devil is she contracted with?
その言い訳は社会に必要ない。必要な悪というのは
地下と1階入り口は大麻ニカと警察が包囲。ビル中の制圧は全てはその後は蛇を使えば私とお前ぐらいなら逃げれる。
Oh, one last thing too. I was interested by what she said when she was like, as long as Makima's alive, everybody in Japan is not safe.
I didn't realize she said that.
She said that. So I'm like, is she actually good? Like what?
So then maybe we do want them to kill her. I don't know. There's so many questions.
I don't know.
特訓して頭も良くなったから。
No, they haven't. Power. I think I might have said this already, but Power is my favorite character.
Yeah, you did.
作戦は
作戦はない。得意か全員をビルにぶち込む。
Oh shit, it's about to go down.
So is the gun devil here? Did they locate him?
I don't know about the gun devil, but the group that attacked them is definitely
Oh,
here.
okay, okay.
今回警察と対マニカは1階と地下の出入り口を封鎖。得意4課で中にいるテロリストを制圧する。4課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。
ゾンビゾンビ
Shark Boy? What?
こいつは短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
That's pretty cool.
噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
暴力の魔人。
Oh, we've seen him in the opening.
I don't remember seeing this guy.
何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
そこのジョーちゃん逃げた方がいいよ。
She looks like the well girl, the grudge.
普段は人
She
間のよう
does.
な形をしている。
Ew.
This is fucking creepy.
感謝
Alright, honestly, this is quite the unit. You have a shark, you have a violence fiend, and then you have, I don't know, a spider lady.
She's so disturbing.
天使
Ew.
こいつは特殊な
Angel
悪魔で
devil.
人に敵意はないが近づ
I
く。
feel so
触れると寿命を吸い取られる。
contradicting. Physical contact means your lifespan gets sucked away? Oh my god, don't touch her.
布越しだったら大丈夫なんだろ
Wow.
Damn.
う。ここは魔人たちに任せてサムライソードとヘビ女を探すぞ。
あ？当てはあんの
They're all.
か？
I like the whole team they've got going on.
Yeah, this is a fucking unit.
Yeah, it's cool. Isn't that what he's not supposed to use, that sword? Or it's something else?
The sword that he's not supposed to use is like a pin
That
sword.
thing in his back, right?
I think so. I don't know. Oh shit. Oh.
Nice.
Dude, Aki's such a beast.
He is. And when I saw that bullet going, I'm like, it's not gonna hit him.
Oh lordy.
Does she have the names? That's why they're all dropping dead?
Dude, what is her power, man? And why is she so good looking? Like,
I don't
stop.
know
I know,
what
I feel like
her-
she's gonna be evil.
I don't know what her endgame is here, but she, you know what? I gotta give it to her. She's badass. Despite being a predator. Never mind, she can't be badass because she's a predator.
I mean, I feel like you still can be. Yo. For Himeno. Avenger.
I know.
おとなしく投降しろ。
ヘビ吐き出し
Oh, she loses a fingernail
Yeah.
every time. Wait, that's... Isn't that the thing that Himeno was using?
あいつを殺せ
She can use?
What a fucking bitch.
Wow, he's actually holding well.
前よりも動けるな
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先。
Oh, that is the power. You were right. I made so much fun of you. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
そのまま締め殺せ
Somebody's gonna come. Somebody has to.
He's not dead.
What the fuck?
I was about to turn this off, but I forgot we gotta watch the Opie.
Oh, thank God we're watching the next episode.
I know.
I would have been so mad. Yeah. Damn, dude. I feel like I have more questions now than before.
Then when you first watched it?
Yeah, because that whole thing with Makima, like, now I'm like more and more convinced that Makima has like something up her fucking sleeve that she's not telling anyone.
Oh, for sure.
And I don't know if it's like for good or for bad. I just don't trust her. I don't trust
her either. I don't. She's sneaky, and
she is sneaky, and she basically just let everybody die in her in the public safety department because it's supposed to be
for whatever reason.
Grand scheme of things, but
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't get her. And then also, oh, go ahead.
No, you go first.
No, you go.
No, because what I'm gonna say is gonna wrap it up. So just say your
conversation.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
no, like wrap up this thing because I want to just get to the next episode.
Okay. The last thing that I was gonna say was, one, I don't think Aki's dead. And two, if he dies, well, I'm gonna be pissed off. But two, I don't think he's gonna die. How fucked up of this little bitch to use the ghost against him after. I mean, mind you, it's not like she knew that he.
That's just adding salt to the wound. But how did she get the ghost devil? That's my question.
I don't know.
Like she just killed.
No. She got it because the snake swallowed it, right? And then right before they're about to fight, she goes, snake, spit it out. So I guess the snake didn't fucking digest it. It just was holding on to the Himeno's devil. And then that's when the ghost came out. The ghost devil came out and went to go kill Aki.
Good catch. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, fucked up, but...
Yeah, I'm like fairly positive though that Aki's not gonna die here.
Yeah.
And someone's probably gonna help him.
Yeah.
But what was I gonna say before? I'm already starting to forget. But I don't really have too many thoughts. Like I really need to see the next episode right now.
Me too.
I think we're just gonna jump into the next one.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching along with us, and we'll catch you guys in next week's reaction. Peace.